Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Katom, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Today we're making a Dollar Tree DIY and this one's delightfully spooky. I took one of those little Dollar Tree doll houses and gave it a full haunted Halloween makeover. Because why not? First I painted the whole thing black. Not gonna lie, it looked like a mess at first but just trust the process. I used dry brushing to bring out the details and give it that haunted, dusty, no one's lived here in 100 years kind of look. The base. Oh it's actually a wooden box that used to hold a hot sauce gift set. Fancy, right? Makes the perfect platform for our spooky little scene. Reduce, reuse, and make it creepy. Now for the real fun. I built a porch, a balcony, a fence, and even some tiny gravestones using wood blocks, popsicle sticks, and wooden skewers. Yep, just the basics from the craft stash. Once your haunted dollhouse is finished, there are so many fun ways to display it. It makes an awesome centerpiece on a table. Just surround it with faux cobwebs, LED candles, little pumpkins, or even a spooky fabric runner to set the mood. If you're decorating a mantel or entryway, it looks great paired with other Halloween DIYs like potion bottles, skeletons, or vintage-style signs. Some people even go bigger and create an entire haunted village by lining up multiple houses with mini fences, graveyards, and gravel paths. However you style it, it's a fun conversation piece and a unique bit of handmade decor you'll want to bring out every October. A little hot glue, some creativity, and a willingness to burn my fingers at least once or twice, and suddenly this thing was coming together. I've made a few of these haunted doll houses in different styles, and it's always such a fun DIY to dive into. It's a popular project, so there are tons of videos out there for inspiration, including several right here on my channel. You can find those linked in the description below. Leave me a comment and let me know, would you live in a haunted house? Fun fact: skeletons became a Halloween favorite thanks to their link with Dia de los Muertos and medieval art. But they didn't start dancing their way into pop culture until the 1929 Disney cartoon The Skeleton Dance. Ever since, they've been shaking, rattling, and creeping into Halloween decor, including our tiny haunted doll houses. I painted all those little wood pieces in spooky browns and grays, just to really age them and give it that haunted, rickety vibe. Haunted houses actually became popular in the US during the Great Depression, when families and communities started creating their own spooky spaces, like basements and garages, to entertain kids on Halloween without spending much. So in a way, turning a Dollar Tree dollhouse into a haunted home is just carrying on a tradition that's been around for nearly 100 years. Haunted houses got their spooky reputation partly because of old superstitions. People once believed that spirits could get trapped in buildings, especially if something tragic happened there. So every creak, shadow, or draft added to the mystery. Kind of like how every little detail in your haunted dollhouse tells its own creepy story. Then I added greenery, ribbon vines, faux moss, bits of whatever I could find that looked like it belonged in a spooky overgrown yard. Whoever lives here clearly skipped spring cleaning for the past 100 years. One of my favorite parts is the hot glue drips under the balconies and windows. Once they dried, I painted them red to look like dripping blood. Because what's a haunted house without a little drama? Fun fact: skeletons have been a popular Halloween symbol for centuries because they remind us that underneath all the scary costumes, we're all the same, just bones. In medieval times, skeleton images were used in danse macabre artwork to show that death comes for everyone, no matter who you are. I tucked in some skeletons for good measure, had some arms reaching out from behind the tombstones, and even strung up a little clothesline with bloody laundry, because haunted or not, somebody's gotta do the wash. To finish it off, I added gravel to make the front yard terrain and added a creepy tree using a bare branch. It's all about layering textures and letting your spooky little story unfold. Now this is just how I did mine, but you can totally put your own twist on it. Get creative with the exterior by customizing the roof with textured scrapbook paper or coffee-stained paper to give it that cracked, broken shingle look. Some people use clay or foam to sculpt creatures climbing up the sides of the house. Bats, spiders, even tentacles. You'll also see people use black glitter for a sparkly gothic twist, or line the house in mini string lights to give it a festive haunted glow at night. And don't forget the lawn. Some people add miniature pumpkins, creepy scarecrows made from toothpicks, or fences made with painted bobby pins or toothpicks. A fun twist is turning the dollhouse into a specific theme, like a witch's cottage with bubbling cauldrons and broomsticks on the porch, a vampire lair with red-lit windows and coffins inside, or even a haunted toy shop filled with creepy dolls. Some crafters paint theirs in unexpected colors like deep purples or neon greens for a more whimsical haunted mansion vibe. I wish you a happy Halloween. This is one of my favorite times of year, and if you're looking for fun, spooky, and totally doable Halloween crafts, you're in the right place. My channel is packed with ideas to help you decorate, create, and get into the spirit of the season, whether you're making haunted houses, creepy centerpieces, or festive DIYs on a budget. I've got over 100 Halloween videos from past years just waiting for you to explore, and there's more to come, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down, and if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes, we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.